the largest and the best manufacturers and importing and exporting around the world with different brands. We talk about a European brand, Italian brand, a Chinese brand. It's a combination of across 3 factory establishments, and I must tell you, the refrigeration system is top on the line with a fantastic compressor. The burners, the ranges, I think it's impeccable. The ovens, the equipment, the griller, I think every single detailing is so well defined that probably when you do a test and trial and when you actually install at the workplace, it's something really great. So professional in transparency, in terms of cost, in terms of pricing, in terms of technical specifications, and amalgamation of work along with the designers and fabricators, and I think it's fantastic. We are really fortunate to have Mr. Christie with us at Radisson Hotel Group in South Asia. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay. And Mr.
Ravindra? Yes.
And you are as a professional. You check
Yes.
every piece of our equipment very carefully, very professionally. So what is your impression?
So my impression is first, thank you so much. You allowed us to come to China and to check your equipment. Yes, thank you so much. And exactly the equipment size, the equipment quality, it's exactly the same which you propose before manufacturing. So this is what we like, and exactly we are very happy to see the equipment quality. So as an engineer, I'm super happy. The bridges, the burners, and all the equipments are good quality. So this will be a long life for us, and I know this will be a low maintenance cost in future for us. So once we buy the equipment, we think this equipment should not a major maintenance cost in futures.
Yeah.
It should not break down. So I saw your equipment definitely will be minimal breakdowns and will be longer life for us. Thank you so much. Definitely will be more buying equipments in India. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And as I told you, now just is our service begin. From now on,
Okay.
we will see our after sales service, and if you need any spare parts for the installation, and so we'll keep offer you our best service. And here I also, on behalf of our company, to wish the Radisson Blu night will be very successful, and we have a long-term partnership.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, and look forward to
Thank you so
expanding.
much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.